We should not. We should. Yeah. They said I'm too much, then they said not enough. Tried to sand me down to fit their version of tough. Too loud when the truth came rushing out. Too quiet when the world got way too loud. I learned to shrink my space just to make it through the day. Learned to hide the parts of me they wanted put away. But every quiet version felt like giving me away. I don't wanna live another year that way. You call it distracted, I call it wide awake. I see 10 paths forward for every turn you take. So don't tell me to quiet down, don't tell me to hide. I've been building something you can't see from outside. Too much, not enough. That's what they told us, that's what we believed. Too much, not enough. Till we found each other and started to breathe. We see what they miss, we build what they can. We're done asking permission, done following their plan. Too much, not enough. We're exactly who we are. I follow one thread and it opens 10 more. Get lost for hours tearing problems to the core. You see a wall, I start looking for a way through. I miss what's right in front of me, then see what no one sees. Give me a thing that everyone says has no way through. I'll come at it sideways and find a way they never knew. You said I need fixing, I said I need room. You said too sensitive, I feel the whole room. Yeah, sometimes it crashes, sometimes I hit the floor. That doesn't make me broken, some days it's just too much. Too much, not enough. Trying to prove you belong. If you smile through the exhaustion and pretended you were strong. If they called you lazy when you were fighting just to cope. If they called you difficult when you were running out of rope. Look around, you're not the only one. Maybe we were never meant to carry this alone.